In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to insert and edit headers and footers in Microsoft Excel. Headers and footers are those areas at the very top and bottom of your printed pages. They don't usually show up while you're working in the normal worksheet view, but they appear when you print or view your sheet in Print Preview. They're perfect for things like page numbers, file names, dates, or a simple title for your document. Let's start with how to insert a header or footer. First, open your Excel workbook and go to the worksheet where you want to add them. Then, go to the top of the screen and click on the Insert tab. On the Insert ribbon, look for the text group, and there you'll see an option called Header and Footer. Click that, and Excel will switch your worksheet into Page Layout View and activate the header area at the top of the page. You'll notice your cursor is now in the header, and the header and footer design tools appear at the top. Here, you can choose whether you want to work in the left, center, or right section of the header. Just click into the section you want. You can type regular text, like a report title, or use the built-in elements on the ribbon. For example, you can insert the page number, the total number of pages, the current date or time, or the file name. When you click one of these options, you'll see a code appear, but don't worry, it will display correctly when you preview or print. To edit the footer, simply scroll down to the bottom of the page until you see the footer area, or use the Go to Footer button in the Header and Footer design tools. Just like with the header, you can work in the left, center, or right section, and add text or built-in elements. A common setup is to put page numbers in the center of the footer, so they appear consistently on every printed page. If you ever want to check how everything looks, you can go to File and then Print to open Print Preview. This shows your headers and footers exactly as they'll appear on paper. If something doesn't look right, just go back, click in the header or footer again, and make your adjustments. When you're done, you can return to the normal worksheet view by going to the View tab and choosing Normal. Your headers and footers are still there. They'll just only be visible again when you go back to Page Layout View or Print Preview.